In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open your mailbox, select the messages you don't want, and remove them quickly and safely. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. This takes you to Yahoo's homepage. Look toward the upper right corner for the sign in option. Go ahead and click it to begin. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in to your account. You may be asked for verification depending on your security settings. Enter the required details and continue. After you've submitted your information, give it a moment. Yahoo may show a quick loading state while it completes the sign-in. That's normal, so just wait until it finishes and you're back on the home page with your account signed in. Once you're signed in, click Mail at the top of the page to open Yahoo Mail. This will bring you to your inbox. Take a second to look at the layout. Your folders are on the left and your message list is in the center. At the very top of that message list, just above the first email, there's a small checkbox, often called the Select All box. Click this mini box. It selects all messages currently displayed in the list. If your view is showing unread emails, that checkbox will select those unread messages at once. With the messages selected, look for the delete option on the toolbar, usually shown as a trash can icon, and click it. If you see a confirmation prompt, choose delete to proceed. The selected emails are moved to your trash folder. Keep in mind they aren't permanently removed yet, they're simply out of your inbox, which helps immediately clear the clutter. If you have a lot of emails, you might need to repeat the select and delete process on additional pages until you're satisfied. Before you confirm deletion, take a quick glance at what's selected to avoid losing anything important. If you click the checkbox by mistake, click it again to clear the selection, or deselect individual messages one by one. If you change your mind right after deleting, watch for the brief undo prompt that sometimes appears, or check the trash folder to restore recent items. Items in trash can typically be recovered for a limited time. That's it. Open Yahoo in your browser, sign in, go to Mail, use the top checkbox to select what's shown, and click Delete. Simple, clear, and effective for clearing unread emails fast.